Hello all, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about virtual reality system components, VR software. In previous video we have discussed about virtual reality hardware. Okay, shall we move on to the topic? Okay. In virtual reality software, we have standard language for interactive simulation within the World Wide Web, because it allows to create virtual worlds and which is networked through the internet and hyperlinked with the World Wide Web. Aspects of virtual world display, interaction and internetworking, it can be specified using virtual reality modeling language VRML without being dependent on special gear like HMD. VR models, it can be viewed by Netscape or IE with a browser plugin. Okay, these are all the applications of virtual reality software. We have virtual reality in military, education, sports, medical, business and media. Virtual reality applications which includes both hardware as well as software. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality applications? First, we can see the advantages like training, military training and aircraft training. Second one is a risk-free experience. Third one, experiencing things you wouldn't normally be able to experience. And fourth one is entertainment, fun, artistic and expression. And final one is telepresence applications. We use virtual reality. And disadvantages like we have high cost and disengagement with the real world. We are replacing reality and people preferring VR to reality, addiction, difficulty of distinguishing between virtual and real, false realities represented in VR, and psychological damage, identify problems and possible impacts on real human body. In modern era of virtual reality, actually modern era, it starts in 2011 and it contributes to 2004, 12, 14, 16E, 16E and again 16E. We have, in this we have different virtual reality eras from 2011 to 2016. In 2016 we have three eras. Eras means three periods, 3 years like that. Era means it is modern era. In English language they call it as modern era, Shakespeare era, like that. Era means it is a period like our year. Okay, in 2016 we have three. First one is 2016E. In this second quarter we have same 2016E, and we have 2016E for third one. We have from 2011 to 2016 we have various modern eras of virtual reality we have. And important issues like we have interaction techniques and navigation techniques. Mainly we concentrate these two types. The first one, interaction techniques, the precise manipulation of objects in the virtual environment is difficult, and the equipment used to capture data about the user for a VE is often prohibitively expensive, and VR input devices is a limited precision. And in navigation techniques we have direction and velocity like hand directed, gaze directed, physical devices. And also we have pointed object, a list of coordinates. And while coming into collision detection and level of detail part, in collision detection, very computationally intensive but very important for presence and realism. And bounding volume like sphere, box, convex hull, like that we have. In level of detail LOD, when looking objects from afar, details not important. Do not show details if they can't seen, and reduces number of polygons significantly. And LOD management, level of detail management, it must be automatic or predefined. And future of virtual reality. Virtual reality is growing industry. PC and specialized hardware are getting better, faster and cheaper because of development in VR. Huge demand for VR modeling languages, programmers in near future. And a revolution in gaming industries, 3D interfaces will replace the Windows based one, and which is very in low price. Phone manufacturers will give free VR headset. And in conclusion part, we have through the disadvantages of virtual reality can disrupt humans' perception ability. Its advantages in different fields make it user friendly. And the second point, the sole objective of virtual reality is to give the user an environment as realistic and as possible and thrilling sensory experience. And the technology of virtual reality is advancing rapidly, and it won't be long before it becomes a most exciting source of entertainment in our homes. Virtual reality is synthetic sensory experience which may one day be indistinguishable from the real physical world. That is the challenge. Thank you.